Okay, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically today we will be looking at this post tab. Okay, so how to write a post and what is this post and how to categorize them, everything. So now this is the post tab, and just click on this all the post, and whatever post that are written by you will be visible over here. Okay, so as of now there are two posts, and over here you will see the author who has written this post. Email ID of that particular author will be shown. So if suppose you are having a website and that website is having two admins, two people are writing or publishing content on that website, then their details will be shown over here. Okay, so this is the category of the post. Okay, so in which category you have published your post will be shown. Okay, so if suppose I am a web developer and creating the courses, then I'll be having the category like the HTML course, then the CSS course, JavaScript course. If your website is all about recipes, then your website will have the categories like sweet dish, then there's a starters, menu, then the dinner, etc, etc. Okay, so these are some of the categories. So you can create those categories, and post has tags, and over here this comments will be shown, number of the comments, and this is the date of publishing. Okay, so let me just show you how to write a post. Click on this add new. Okay, so once you click on this add new, this is the page where you can write your post. You can do one thing, you can say edit with Elementor. This will actually make your work really very easy and simple. I will be working with the Elementor. Okay, so now you can do one thing, just select this inner section, drag and drop. Okay, and it is having two columns. I just want only one column, so I will just right click and say delete. I will just delete one option over here. I will click on this square button. I want one header, and I will say this is my first post over here, and after that I will just align this at the center. I will select everything. I will click on the center tab, and it will be getting aligned at the center. So now next what I'll do is I will write a paragraph. Okay, so click on this, say text editor, drag and drop. This is not working. Okay, so over here I will write my paragraph. By default this paragraph is having some text. If you want you can just copy this, I'll paste it over here. Okay, so as of now it is having two paragraphs over here. So next what I'll do is if suppose you want to add some list and all, so list of items, then I will say this is my list items. Okay, and when it comes to adding the list items, I will make use of these bullet points or numbers. So I will make use of the numbers. Okay, and this is my first item. I will say this is the item 2. Okay, and I will say this as item 3, and you can just write over here also, no issues. Okay, I will say item 4, item 5. Okay, and this is how you can edit these bullet points. And once you're done with that, just again click on this in order to disable that option, otherwise it will just write everything in the form of points. Okay, and the next is insert link. Okay, so now if I'm just going, still that option is enabled. Okay, now that option is gone. If suppose now I want to give the link to something, link to some text, I will say this is a link of YouTube. Okay, and now suppose I want to give the link to this text, and I will select all these things, and I will click on this link, and I just have to now copy this link of YouTube or YouTube video, whatever you want to make use of, and I will just paste it over here. Okay, so just paste that over here, and done. just select this, click on this link, paste it over here. Once you paste the link over here, you just have to say apply. Okay, so now this is a clickable link. Whenever anyone will come and click on this link, that person will be taken to this link of YouTube. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will come over here down below, and now suppose I want to center this, then I can do that also. Let me just move this text, so center. Okay, so now let me just show you the other options present over here. So now suppose you want to display the video, then just drag and drop, and this is the video tab, and let me just go to, I will say, copy link address, and I will paste that over here. Okay, and that video will be present on my blog post. So this is how you can edit the videos. And next, if suppose you want the spacing between any two elements, if suppose I want some spacing over here, I will just drag and drop, and now I'm getting this little bit of space. You can just increase the space in order to get a little bit of extra space. Next option what we have is icons. If you want, you can add the icons over here. So this is my icon. You can just go to the icon library and select whatever icon that you want. I will just insert this one, and whether you want this circular or round, you can just select that. I will just go for circle. Then this is the styling. You can just change this size, and you can just change the padding and all. Padding is basically the outer spacing, and this is the rotation. If you want to rotate it and all, then you can do that. So this is the hover option. Whenever a user will be hovering on it, what you want to do. Okay, so when a user will hover, I want to just give some animation like that of this one. Okay, so this animation looks good. Okay, so this also looks good. Okay, so basically this is how you can give the animation, and these are the advanced settings. If you want, you can give them, but as of now there are many options present over here, and all of them looks good. You can just go for it and see how to write your blog post. Okay, so there are also many other options present over here. You can make use of them. You can even put the social sharing options, then you can even make use of this SoundCloud. Okay, so just go through these options. I will just say publish, and this is my first blog post which is published by me, and then I will go back. Okay, so this was that post. Okay, let me just again go back and refresh this. Okay, so this was that post. It got a name as a Elementor because we have added that with the Elementor. I will click on edit. Now you have to just give the name over here. I will say my first post. Okay, so whenever you are writing any post, you have to just give the name, and right from this place you can give the tags and everything. Okay, so this is the permalink of my post. If you want, you can just change it. I will say my first post. Okay, so this will be the link of my post, and this is how the post link would look, and this is the category. You can create a new category. Just now in our previous tutorial I have talked about the category, so you can give the categories over here. Okay, and you can say this as a parent category, and say add new category. If suppose so you want to add let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so if I'm just having the category like the veg and non-veg, if suppose there is a veg category, this will work as a parent category, and inside of the veg, if suppose I want to give some different categories like palak paneer. Okay, so palak paneer, and I can just say this category will come under this veg category. I will add this. Okay, so as can be seen, this palak paneer is coming under the category of veg. Okay, so this is how you can give the parent category and child categories. And what I'll do is I will add this my first post to the category of the first post, and over here you can add the tags. Okay, so whatever tags that you want to write, give, or you can give them from this place. Okay, so this is how you have to add the text, and this is the featured image. Okay, so your post will be having your featured image, but if I'm just coming over here and refreshing my website, then this is that recent post. If I'm just clicking on that post which is added by me, this is that post which looks something like this, which was written by me. Okay, so as of now our website looks horrible because we are designing it. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will select the featured image. As of now my post is not having any featured image over here, so I will give the featured image like I will set this as my featured image, and I will say update. If I'm just coming over here and refreshing, then now as can be seen, my post is having this featured image. Okay, so this is how you can give the image to your blog post. Okay, so if your post is about a recipe of palak paneer, then you can just display the image of palak paneer over here. If you're having the website of this making the recipes and all. Okay, so this is how you can write your first post. Now if I'm just going back, you will find all those posts that are written by you over here. Okay, if you want to add new, you can just add it over here, and if you want to display the post according to the categories, then you will find all those categories present over here, whatever categories that are created by you. Then if you want to find something according to the tags, then you will find all the tags present over here, but as of now we have not created any tags, so we won't be seeing them, but we will see them in the future. Okay, so I think this much is enough introduction about the post. Thanks for watching.